Welcome to Top Tech. Today we will explore the gigantic and powerful machines designed to conquer nature and assist mankind in harvesting precious natural resources. The most advanced timber harvesting machines in the world. The Bandit SG75 is a powerful stump grinder equipped with a 75 to 99 horsepower engine, designed for efficient stump and root removal. It features a hydraulic drive system for precise control and maneuverability, along with a sturdy frame and a high-performance cutting wheel with carbide teeth for durability and effectiveness. The SG75 is user-friendly and easy to transport, making it versatile for various job sites. However, its large size and weight may restrict access to smaller or confined areas and require a higher initial investment. Despite these considerations, it is praised for its productivity and reliability in handling demanding stump removal tasks. Braca P11A is a high-performance tree planting machine designed for efficient and precise planting. It features a robust design and advanced planting technology, allowing for quick and accurate tree planting in various soil conditions. The machine is user-friendly and suitable for large-scale reforestation projects. However, its size and weight may limit its maneuverability in tighter spaces. The Bandit Model 250 XP is a high-capacity wood chipper suitable for handling tough wood and large branches. The machine features a powerful engine, 120 to 200 horsepower, and can chip logs up to 12 inches, approximately 30 centimeters, in diameter. Its robust steel frame ensures durability in harsh environments. The high efficiency is due to the dual conveyor system, which minimizes waiting time. Safety features such as an emergency stop button and control panel make operation easy, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. The machine is mobile on a trailer frame, making it suitable for flexible work. However, its large size and high initial investment cost are notable drawbacks. The Cambio 800 debarker efficiently removes the outer bark from logs, processing between 50 to 80 cubic meters of wood per hour. It offers high performance with even bark removal in adjustable depth and speed settings. However, it has a high initial cost and requires regular maintenance. The Cambio 800 is an excellent choice for large sawmills looking to enhance productivity and product quality. Carlton SP7015 is a powerful stump grinder designed for professional land clearing and forestry. With a high-performance engine around 70 to 80 horsepower, it efficiently handles large and stubborn stumps. It offers high efficiency, versatility for various stump sizes, and operator comfort. However, it comes with a significant initial cost, and its size can limit maneuverability in tight spaces. The Caterpillar 522B is a powerful wheeled feller buncher designed for efficient timber handling in forestry operations. It features a 250 horsepower engine and performs optimally in challenging terrains. The machine excels in cutting, gathering, and stacking timber with high-performance hydraulics and engine. Its advantages include versatility and high productivity, while its main drawbacks are the high initial cost and limited maneuverability due to its size. Caterpillar 525D is a powerful grapple skidder designed for effective timber handling and transport. Equipped with an engine around 180 to 200 horsepower, it performs well in challenging terrains and handles heavy loads efficiently. The machine offers high performance and versatility for various forestry tasks, with a comfortable cabin for the operator. It is well suited for managing large and heavy timber, optimizing work processes in forestry operations. With modern technology and superior power, these timber harvesting machines are transforming the global forestry industry. Efficiency, safety, and sustainability, that's the future we're heading toward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting tech videos from Top Tech. See you in our next exploration journey.